come on, Czech Republic and Pedro win 7 nano as the Basasuna Romu or Fair Islands are when it's too much Gibraltar and to him at the Kanumbakum and the Frederick about first gonna Patrick Johansson about 2 goals in my fair and half a Gibraltar according to James Scallon at the Kanumbako and so the match Gibraltar very resource in Nano and the Bala games outdoor maybe team across the team with 7 and Ramu way and your World Cup qualifiers and you never 6:45 the only Finland better of you what any Poland. Netherlands better if you want any Malta, Romania, and so any Cyprus, San Marino, any Austria, Latvia, better if you want any Albania, Serbia, and so any Andorra, Nafe, Uramo, South America, the Comibol, and so World Cup call for CB, and so Etime across Bolivia, what any Chile, Uruguay, any Venezuela, we give them Sabacoso, or South America, no Pedro in Sevillano, and the Basanso, and a Romo Concacaf, for Hosso, World Cup qualifier games, Audo Pinano, and so Ebetima across the Cuba. What any Bermuda, Haiti, any Curacao, St. Lucia, any Barbados, of a Dominican Republic, and of a Dominica, game I would never talk about the one seven, and the Basanso, and a Jamaica, any Guatemala. It is easy, way a Concaf qualifiers, and I don't want seven nano, and the Bayan question in Comoca Creation, so World Cup qualifier games, and so across Romo Kyrgyzstan, one and United Arab Emirates, a game and a better South Uzbekistan, and Qatar, Iran, a better fear, one and North Korea, South Korea, and better fear, one and Kuwait, Jordan, better fear, one and Iraq, Palestine, opposite to Korinano, one and Bobo Kwalso Maya, your friends Oman, Japan, and so Indonesia, China, better fear, one and Bahrain, now for Saudi Arabia, and so better for one Australia, we game of Safone, a bit Marcos, I don't want Seminano, and the bending Comoca crowd. Now, when him say Ballon d'Or rankings, about to Dona, Bebenaka. Ebi si lami yama ebi to say Osman the tembe na men kan say ne to say top 10 about to jamunya botre na munte place na me aduma ebi timi akasa muna Ballon d'Or no omotima je ediese wona so akoda ndi Osman the tembe eba number 1 hiti basa fon bebre na so de mele fade ne ko ye party de mele number 1 afei lami yama so ya to so mienu Vitinya aba to so miensa Mohamed Salah aba to so 9 Rafinha aba to so num Kylian Mbappe Lotin aba to Gianluigi Donnarumma on so Siaka Edma Paris Saint-Germain on Otoson son afe Kicha Braskelia on so Otoson Wachi on afe Desire Doué on so Toson Kron and afe Ashraf Hakimi every name was a debate na Abanti and the Nuno Mendes Mola Abonyinachi Yentimano Mdetitino when the top 10 rankings of the Ballon d'Or na pay but don't say nano and so there was a former team na can say sabe so Ramu our Bobo quality and the Tottenham Hotspur one coach Lydia Angie Postecoglou Minuka said he has been sacked ya coaching Nyakwanya now me coach and the team and my was the one department Sakadu Brentford coach and the Thomas Frank BBI is sorted they say Thomas Frank no now coach Brentford never be coach to my friend is a hospital £10 million and a salary hospital for and then I agree about yet me don't want something and so the banon something that Zabi Alonso and see the first training of Vadabebas or Madrid for training grounds now unim sama waka o say na Madrid for adwuma mu ye nie na we na Carlo Ancelotti adwuma ye adwuma yi asa modebo ne insurance so aliko na o say team no ohia so benya abotre na wa ye nhye bi ko de ade ne ko no se won fan players from ama meka team ade ne mfa do ne sama Isabel Sonua ne first training of Adaba so de to jana na pai ye breaking it down and so de man tie for na yan trust dem on komo yi sa obeje di say Simone Inzaghi wakoko pio Al Hilal e was Saudi na say me no ka say the coach at the Kistan Kivu so we can the year 2010 wa bra Jose Mourinho for the trouble e de man internal koda we bobo panya sem to na no ka say abra oja bobo no coach Inter under 14 under 17 under 8 now under 19 and sana o move ko pie mu o pama no ka say onu ne be coach to my friend say Inter tin some for e ba no pado won say pire ba some doso ya de be si wana afa ya ba vie na ya defend come kakra because enya some hweto o na ti chama be adwuma kama na afa ya be di afise mu kakra because ehia pa na go board Sunday to me say Father's Day na unim say a FA Cup final ti enya some kiti pon for ti chama be adwuma keto bi na afa ya ba fi kakra bi
Liberty FM.
Yes, sir. Me that's the terms of for you. Now, your mom come back. Can go on 15th of June. Sunday. When University of Ghana Stadium, a FA Cup final. A game between Kumasi and ASANTE KOTOKO na for golden kick. We yes, no betting me according now for ye. What me accord not go pure with the Confederation Cup. None of I don't seven in a day. But don't say now me at my Sunday on the Saturday anyway. A coronation match because medium and half a Biani Go Stars game when I ball now for Yadi crew and so at Yoma Biani Go Stars. Now at 3 p.m. or dance park. A coronation match was a for down a player on Seminano. That's the ropes of far. Omuti and best sports station. You know, you didn't come on him say Sabem Lucas, a goalkeeper, give purely in the corner. Omode Bonson need a untouchable goalkeeper and the Eddie Kobe Osiakai Edematima the Big Go Stars was 18 goals. Benjamin 18 clean sheet of Benjamin Asari 17 clean sheet. Masaudi Inusa 16 clean sheet. Lawrence Osei 16 clean sheet of Dari Aziz Haruna on to BECHEM 15. Timino said the keepers are Omode Bonson Nebusa form a keeper and the Eddie Kobe. Your no or Tia Osiakai Edema Hostars and I'm pay. But don't say that. But I'm toss on saying that yes to the Mankuna or 15 goals. First charity Osia Academy Nation 12 goals. After Abetamwa Osia Academy Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO on 12 goals. After Nana Kwame Opon on also Osia Academy out of Lonso 8 matches 11 goals. Now Fei Joseph first Osia Academy dreams are a player on 7 yano and so the Banini Komaka crowd wouldn't say coaches so be a bonity I from Poma so no Casao was it or no. Nanka league Robert Martin is straight for but I did quite hard and say a pra Edinia yet different Poman's crowd.
Not really. Sometimes, any boys no, and a walk the beer, and sometimes you who the air possible. If you are an Indian crown and you're on the pitch, if you are off the pitch, it is animal. You don't need say me here a specialist at the Antana with me about Abia. So I had catch on say no. There's a fatigue, no for instance. If you are injured, you cannot do anything away from it. Second round, they say, Adia a high power back on may drop of points, injuries. Let's say so. One of your dependable attackers are now. The whole season, injury, or my own best 6 matches. When me and my back depending mostly on also Eco Pride, also and to me my back one of the stalwarts are the midfielders, Sadat Mohammed, also Eco Pride, also and to me maybe. So not just saying injury, so not hit a key players. And no, and I just enough in my consistency in say a benya points away. Amano, I get at the Amai.
Well, when is some coach and the other from Poman, so no coach, Adama Bian go started to Jana Pay, Yama, Yatia for, and so at Matibena, a son's of course to us only Made Bakwa, a factory of Mupani said, Unim said, do baby, now so a change of Muvenum, yeah, dance park, and not 3 idea can be also as I'm quite cranimum, Adabaka home, like the change of venue, and only at the arm one, sir, and Kagusas Karamuji in Intergra.
Be sir, but at that moment, It to me a sign because that was you lose to Accra Lions because Karela now you lose to home game there. You know you lose to the whole and a nation be fight.
Coach and I know work our coach Olympics man of teams European one say so no or a technical director at the team events the vision FC na you know bon come say no be anim some of you na what me colleague you na dey part e bo am e ma mutim e colleague yenti ana worker.
Yeah, I think of late you saw the way the team is playing, and I would say if you look at our performance for some time now against us, against Viviani, you saw the football that we played. So against KOTOKO, they beat us in the first round 4-1, and we said to ourselves that we will not allow them to beat us front and back. So this match is going to be a do and die for us. So we spoke to the boys throughout our training, we got prepared, and today it has shown up at the match. Very happy man because I would say since I came, I've realized the team is changed and the team is performing. And I'll not say I'm doing it alone, but I have my head coach and my assistant coach and all those who are concerned to make the team survive or the team not to go to relegation. We did, and today
I was for yes, some technical director, Edema BECHEM said, no one called it to Ghana, pay breaking it down. Now, for Ediaman, for now, young Cosinamon, come on, sir, who Ramu, a class for Australia. So be a customer, Sir Conedon, and I will be taking charge at the head coach for Timon. Now, only say any coach and Yabaka Watara Sobon, come over, said Abby, no Caribbean. I don't want to get Jan Chan or Tony Coaches. Me, my name is one of Eretia, one corner secret woman, one only has there. Ayawadio. How many baby yako? Yenti Obaka Watara and some more do you ever?
Well, yes, I'm not going to say, we do you of fear. No, man, for you see what I will. You know, so what can't you say what I know? So, the other of the fact. Uno worry. Aye. One catches our any ajay. Or we saw not your mum, a mouth, or the two new Dabuya Bidia. Now, be the name crow, see a Wajani.
Wajani, Uzuya.
Ah, it's a means in country. Okay. So I have to protect them say, so see, I'm moving.
Okay. Ete usabuye nsama ubaka watari tu eti mu motiwa mo ka se coach ni kwone de mu da mo na maso kunadu se chama de players awru e ba nyina no odi mutintima e be no nsama abubaka watari tu bia unim se so wura mu wo Accra Thomas Step Party on the two ba ho na so odi ni juma kakaka na wode na me san de si wo so de boa na afa nkwadan keto a wona ni chi ball ho no obo wo mu na afa metuma develop na oba ye ne bon komo o hyase enu ajo eneba na afa 3 days and all this tournament in the basso. Our bomb price of the place. Omuyan Quadanka take it na fee. Yatima develop your muna. Yanni Bok was any trim pony sign. Ya all this tournament with the Bayentim, Thomas Step Party.
Well, I think it should be easy to see because growing up, I have this picture like, you know, some of us were lucky and if we were able to get like more opportunity to show or to be taken outside or to, you know, get a better team, we'll get more than 1 or 2, you know. So I think the idea is to give the little kids or the children who are, you know, who want to play football the chance, you know, to be able to get more than 1 or 2, you know, because if you are lucky and then you have 1 player, I think with the opportunity to see more of them, you can have more than 1. So some of growing up, some of my mates have a lot of talent, but you know, no opportunity. I think with this tournament, everything is free for the kids. They just have to come and play. And then there are a lot of scouts coming from outside. They will see them because when someone is good, it's easy to see. So the main idea is to give the opportunity to the Ghanaian kids and, you know, for them to be able to...
Well, we saw some Thomas Step Party to your son and Quadaka to one friend and mobile tournament because Babu Pana or something close to us away and I'm here. Some already do Manuntino. Say, Oban and no one fall and I want for Vietnam. Ubetima, no one for Yente Thomas Step Party Canafe, Yampamunsi.
When I was in Ashamon, I've been to a lot of justifies, Feyenoord, whatever. I've been to a lot. You just don't need to think like you are going to a Feyenoord academy or a Justify. You just have to come and play your football, enjoy yourself, and just pray because maybe you'll be seen. And if you're not seen, you'll be seen the next one. So we'll be watching a lot of all these clips. So sometimes you will not see someone, but when you go back to watch it, you see someone. So just give.
What we say, some Thomas Step Party to John Summer at Dawson about 2 p.m. about transfer for your external version and so Eddie about Abia to maybe team Eddie watch Frederick with my friend say Bugatti.
Me bajunia mengro ma bravo hope.
Hey, na wani na aji a woje oba grossano.
Na adi a wonyame nam Dr. Amwa. Owo personal natural health care so aye. Eno na di bani je say yo.
Peske awo hu nsem de otenete se wo kase mu obuo o prostate aye kese. Ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mreyo.
Say yes stroke, diabetes, hepatitis B, pressure, cyst yadie, afichi kroma manihunu. Enamu yade hodo, ene yadie bia was
Nese wa na medi oluman eni oledi kwa check up owo mfidie pa meye na adomatre ko ani na nse mi double no wo ni sen
hey I'll grog in
oba wo pese wo hips anase wo to eye akese ye ho adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo wedi aboso a eno nso ye yi free ho berima obema sua na pese wo pagyamu no bra ye be pagyamu ama wo be hu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyameche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achi wa Kumasi G runabout Medila bachi wope baby ani edese human rural bank wo mu no sawiyo so empomam ye ne Church of Pentecost ene di nhwanimu takwa Roman stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyai ofri Kumasi KOTOKO house Rex ye ne Total filling station ne di nhwanimu
Fre Peske ewo 055 773 8555
Peske
quality hair
Omadishe esen wakwampa ye fa susumi en customers nti apa manfi ura bank abaye bank ya dodo no age atomu abefo kwanya ye de mani sika ni nyina ye obi wa Express Automated Clearing House Mobile Money Transfer Apex Link I Transfer and Western Union ye branch se didi suwe ye wa electronic banking so aya 24/7 ATM services baby ani se hwebe kwai se hwedwuna ase asankragwa ene dunko no fen ye switch bankers draft and SMS alert ya ema ho de ekoso wa account mu no eno so ka ho apa manfi ura bank de yensemu ye wa easy loan products ema abandwuma ifo nyina na less than 3 hours na we sa kan loan da eba no third party and comprehensive insurance nso a bra apa manfi ura bank there were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Aguna Menfi, Seshujunase, Seshuyoso, Seshubekwai, Seshuakwantomra, Dunkono Fen, Diaso, Bebieni, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasadrabo, Ajakamansu, Seshunzaura, Awasu, and a Fofrokra, Eswaba, Seshi, Asempane, and near Medidra, Nemfasu Boom, Embra Usikaso, the head office, our San Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966, and 0244 948-600 Afi 0549 040 570 Apa Menfi Ura Bank Yeni Mufretete Apa Menfi Ura Bank Yashumoda
Yasi Ebadia Banki Bianca Esiene Kaja Yanseda Mira se say de min sumi bi afeidie ameme edan ba kwa ye behan ye na say otena say de min sumi bi yo be ye bia enye fiewre yi fe
ba ye pa wo pampam no na din sha na ye hye wo na se fiewre anya wo say ya emma wo tirim se wo besida na fiewre bi tete wa comfort ata 68 enterprise na se ma fia ba store se obema onyoma wo de besi wo fie na wo so nya ba bi du tiato na mpanifo se se wo nya ba bi du tiato na brabo na no comfort ata 68 enterprise anase man fia ba store to adanse hu nyoma ni nyina bi ya hyase ko se awie it say cement iron rods wheelbarrow pickers shovel hammer carpenter for so yanyi mu ma your foreign plywood a wo betimi dey your kitchen cabinet wardrobe any what design plywood a wo betimi dey your ceiling na fese na so wo pop ni wi a plywood e be ma wo ade show tv na chi ebi wo ho stickers design bi leather any material papa ye dey yankonya asande yampa leather ye dey leather pragia enkonya ene car so dia glue ye wa 99 and a top band carpenter for so mutusu ni nyina bi wo ho ene dia mo dey ye adwuma ye sa wo paint na hodo ni nyina bi be say home paint DTM paint flamingo oil paint and a local paint foreign paint so wo ho no so color wo pe no me amexe dia man wona spray car so ye mo paint ni bi aba ye super shine hardener clear ene dia keka ho wotimi di spray funda kanyi na so wo se wo dan ni wi a ya ma won tense papa wo dey board dan so say mosquito nets black and blue wire mesh padlock alarm dia and high security na say down fear woni a comfort kwanta mobile comfort ata 68 enterprise anase man fia ba store ama masimi fie na asedanka me fiewura wotete me sakanyo no ankama enchira nkohwe comfort ata 68 enterprise anase man fia ba store e wo sahudwina se na dick filling station wa fe manager na pia e wo sa homatrofo we so 0 541 087624 afiwe mafia baston ti tenant bia besinifie
nipa ye metsochini
nsamfama wo ewo supermarket kese ubenya bibia ato ewo hodom ewo eye dwunase apa amenfi rura bank achiri ho wo ewo ho Kestal Junction wo ewo eye enkrabata ba konso ewo ho Recover Construction and Trading enso ewo ho no ma wo so e twan se wo dan se ho nem na fa bedan wo mo se fa no eye cement se wo de aso ana asoso ebebo fom kosi bra wo be si dan na wi abebo so ne nyina fa ko dan eye Recover Construction and Trading wo mo enkrabata kese dan kaza ewo eye tano so omo branches ni bi ewo eye penakro mu anwem omo obi wotakwa omo sanso bi ewo Kestal Junction anapa ime kanfo eye Recover Construction and Trading edi amount so why on so be sifie nko ade eno ene Recover Construction and Trading na Queen Elizabeth Hotel eno ena ye bia ye da ema ye ho etoye obeda ada ama ho atowa eno ene Queen Elizabeth Hotel Diabusia say eye ho wo bi eba be shara be menada eno ene Queen Elizabeth Hotel there was a who also here enti ho ho no eba eye Queen Elizabeth Hotel your rooms in nyina eye fully nyanya air condition environment no so ye serene ya obedie nya obenom ni nyina our Queen Elizabeth Hotel 0244 87 8466 and 0534 212702 and a KIT solution SMN country say laptop phones and you never die home desktop and I said yeah mobile phones and found one phone a crowd accessories in will be our KIT solutions computer accessories will be say open say ultra air installation say the good phone so and our laptop so I say our desktop so what the phone na baba die why what do we actually our GPR2 dynamo why and our abrosign mu ye ne AML comedy anim hwe ye ban big brain try 0245 404140 and 0245 796770 and I pay Ghana